Good morning everyone. On behalf of Rotary Education Society, Rotary English Medium High School and Junior College, I welcome you all for today's virtual orientation program of Junior College Standard 11.
Let me introduce the Board of Directors of Rotary Education Society. President of Rotary Education Society is Rotarian Shekhar Mhatre Sir. Vice President of Rotary Education Society is Rotarian Yatin Mhatre Sir. Secretary of Rotary Education Society is Rotarian Vikas Mahajan Sir. Treasurer of Rotary Education Society is Rotarian Prasanna Kumar Sir. Trustees of Rotary Education Societies are Rotarian Narendra Padte Sir, Rotarian Dr. B.V. Devnikar Sir, and Rotarian Jagdish Patil Sir. These great personalities came forward togetherly and founded the Rotary Education Society in the year of 1990 and started the Rotary English Medium High School. This is the 30th year of this institution.
Now, let me introduce the administrative staff. I invite Master Yash Swanaki to welcome AO Mrs. Pushpa Kurup Madam. Madam, please accept the flag as a token of love and respect. Madam, please. Thank you, ma'am. I invite Ms. Jasmine Mhatre to welcome Principal Mrs. Akshita Karan Madam. Madam, please accept the flag as a token of love and affection. Thank you, ma'am. I invite Master Yash Swanaki to welcome Supervisor Mrs. Sumalata Manohana Madam. Madam, please accept the flag as a token of love and gratitude. Thank you, ma'am. I request Ms. Jasmine Mhatre to welcome Mrs. Archana Padre Madam, who will be dealing with English and EVS subjects. Thank you, madam. I invite Yash Solanki to felicitate Ms. Mansi Koli Madam, who will be dealing with IT subjects. Thank you, ma'am. I invite Ms. Jasmine Mhatre to felicitate Sir Roshan Patel Sir, who will be dealing with PD subject. Thank you, sir. Myself, Ms. Tina Miranda, class teacher of Standard 11, and I will be dealing with accounts and economics subject. I feel honored to introduce the faculty of Junior College, the subject teacher. Mrs. Pushpa Kurup Madam will be dealing with Organizational Commerce and Management subject. I request ma'am to say a few words on this occasion.
Dear students and parents, welcome to new academic year. Congratulations to all of you as you have passed your SSC exam with good marks. Now it's a turning point in your life. Do you know why it is a turning point? Because after 10th standard, you all have studied same subjects and same syllabus. But after 10th, you are moving towards different stream. As you took admission for commerce stream, some of the students might have taken admission in arts stream, some might have taken admission in science stream, and some others might have gone for different diploma courses. That means somewhere you have started thinking about your career. It is quite good. You should have self-confidence and willpower so that sky will be your limit. Now let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Pushpa Kurup, admin officer of this institution. I am a subject teacher for you. I am dealing with OCM subject. Do you know what is OCM? OCM means Organization of Commerce and Management. For you, it is a new subject. Your class teacher is Tina Miranda. Tina Madam might have already given you the timetable. As per that, now we will be starting your classes. The classes will be online. That means through audios, videos, Google Classrooms, always Google Meet and all. Okay. And time to time, you will be getting all the worksheets, assignments, notes and all. You will have to upload the assignments in the Google Classroom so that your teachers, subject teachers will be able to check it and they will be able to return to you. Daily morning at 10 o'clock, you have to give the attendance through the WhatsApp group. Madam will be opening that. If you have any queries, any doubt, you will be able to send that through teachers WhatsApp group so that the subject teacher can clear your doubts. Okay. If you have any queries, you can even contact me on my personal number. There is no issue. So see you soon. I wish you all the very best. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am, for gracing the occasion and sharing your opinion.
Mrs. Akshita Bharat Madam will be dealing with SP subject and I request ma'am to introduce herself. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, honorable authorities, fellow faculty, teachers, and my amicable students. It gives me immense pleasure to extend to you all very warm greetings on behalf of Rotary Education Society's Rotary English Medium High School and Junior College. Dear all, we at REMS and Junior College wish to pray for your well-being and good health of your families. As you know, present pandemic situation may take time to reopen your junior college of standard 11. Your health, safety is most important for us. At the same time, your education is also much important. So we should start home learning through digital system. Dear student, congratulations to all. You all are passed your SSC examination with good marks. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all to grace this orientation program. Let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Akshata Ashok Bharat, Principal of Rotary English Medium High School and Junior College and your SP teacher. At the very onset, I am prompted to use a John Davis quote, "Education is not preparation. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself." It is a matter of a pride and immense pleasure that I take this opportunity to welcome new students choosing this college for their higher education. Moving ahead on the path of excellence, the college is ready to effectively take up the forthcoming challenges in diversified domains. I welcome you to this college and assure you that we shall leave no stone unturned to equip you with best possible methods and exposure so that you can shape up your career and growth will feel proud on being associated with us and make us equally proud with your academic excellence. By maintaining social distance, we will reopen our junior college very soon as per the government guidelines. Thank you one and all.
Thank you madam for your valuable guidance. Mrs. Archana Bhadre Madam will be dealing with English and EVS subject. I request Madam to introduce herself. Madam, please.
Good morning students. Myself Mrs. Archana Bhadre. I am staying in Kamtha, Uran. Children, I am dealing with English subject and EVS, that is Environmental Studies. My educational qualification is MA B.Ed. I have completed MA in English subject and in B.Ed I was having English and History as an optional subject. Since 11 years, I am teaching English subject in Rotary School and Junior College. I am proud to announce that I had given 100% result of my subject. I always try my level best to give more than 100% to my children. I always try to improve their vocabulary of English so that it will help them in the future. Because English is not the language that once you have learned in 11th and 12th standard it is over. It is not like that. This language, it will help you in future also. Wherever you will be going for working, at the time when you speak the English, it creates that yes, you have learned from a good college. Previous, we used to conduct this orientation program in school. But due to this pandemic, corona situation, we are conversing and we are meeting through mobile itself. Don't worry children, very soon we will meet through Google Classroom and Google Meet. Not only me, but all the teachers are expecting that we want 100% attendance from you. And regarding my subject, I want to tell you, whenever I will be sending the assignment or composition, you have to submit it on time in Google Classroom. So students, I welcome you all in Rotary School and Junior College and my best wishes are with you. So children, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you madam. Ms. Mansi Kohli ma'am will be dealing with Information Technology subject, that is IT subject, and I request ma'am to introduce herself. Madam, please.
Very good morning to all of you, honorable dignitaries, fellow faculty members and my dear students. Today we have arranged online orientation program. As junior college is not possible to reopen physically, With greatest pleasure, I welcome all of you to the family of REMS. Now, let me introduce myself. I am Miss Mansi Kohli. I have completed my master's degree in information technology, that is in IT. And I am dealing with IT subject of junior college. I know that you are eagerly waiting to reach your college so that you can meet your friends and teachers. But don't worry, very soon we will overcome present pandemic situation. As per the timetable, teacher will teach you. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp to teachers on personal number. I pray Almighty to keep you all safe, happy and healthy. Wishing you all the very best. See you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Mr. Roshan Patil sir will deal with PT subject. I request sir to introduce himself. Sir, please.
सुप्रभात मुलांनो, तुमचा रोटरी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज मध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. मी रोशन पाटील तुमचा पीटी टीचर आहे. आपल्या स्कूलमध्ये भव्य असा क्रीडा मैदान आहे आणि ह्या क्रीडा मैदानावर आपण क्रीडा शिकत असतो. त्याचप्रमाणे आपण तालुका लेवल, जिल्हास्तरीय व राज्यस्तरीय अशी मुलं व मुली घेऊन जात असतो. या कोरोनाच्या काळामध्ये आपण आता मैदानावर जाऊ तर शकत नाही, तरी सुद्धा आपण ऑनलाईन शिक्षण घेणार आहोत. तरी मी जे काही ऑनलाईन तुम्हाला पाठवणार आहे त्याचा तुम्ही अभ्यास करा. धन्यवाद मुलांनो, काळजी घ्या स्वतःची.
Thank you, sir. Hello everyone. I am Miss Tina Miranda. My qualification is MCom BA and I am the class teacher of Standard 11. I will be dealing with accounts and economics subject. Dear students, we know that due to the corona pandemic, the whole country is locked down itself. The country is struggling with school, teachers and lack of education. Many schools and colleges have also started the online classes, that is digital learning. So our school has also started the online classes to make the connection with you all and help you to cover up the syllabus and maintain the flow of study. So you must take the opportunity of it and study well. Okay students, so stay safe and stay home. Thank you.
Some important guidelines for the parents and students. Uniform. Let me show you the pattern of uniform. I request Master S. Solanki and Ms. Jasmine Matre to come forward. This uniform is mandatory when the college reopens physically. Thank you both of you.
The online lecture will be from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. We have already sent the timetable on the WhatsApp group. Just take a note of it. The lecture will be on the Google Meet. Some important notice about the app. We have to download two apps, that is Google Meet and Google Classroom. Google Meet detail is given on the WhatsApp group. Just go through it once again. You need to create your own email ID. Okay, that will be beneficial for you for the future, and also it is necessary for the Google Meet and the Google Classroom app. Google Classroom app will be only for the assignment, study material and worksheets. Okay, so you need to download both of these apps. For the Google Classroom app, whatever the process of the registration is there, that will be soon sent to you on your WhatsApp group. So keep checking your WhatsApp group for the details or the up-to-date information of the class. Request to the parents. Dear parents, the impact of coronavirus pandemic has not left anyone untouched. Millions of students have been forced to sit at home during this trying time. So in this pandemic situation, it will take time to reopen our junior college physically. At the same time, children's education is very much important. So we are starting the virtual learning, that is digital learning, also we can call it as teaching learning process through online method. Dear parents, without your cooperation, it will be impossible. So you are requested to support the endeavors of your child's school and make it sure that your kids are attending the lecture, completing the studies properly, and they are giving the attendance or not. We togetherly can bring our kids upward. Last but not the least, encourage and motivate your child as much as possible. We urge you to stay positive and stay safe. And surely we shall overcome one day. Now I declare that our program has come to an end. I would like to take an opportunity to express my sincere thanks to Mrs.
Pushpa Kurup Madam, AO of Rotary Education Society, Principal Mrs. Akshita Gharat Madam, Supervisor Mrs. Sumalata Monokonda Madam, and all the teachers, parents and students. Thank you so much for attending the online program and making this program successful. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.